Hello, Gordon. This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. We're just going to go through your website, kind of, give it a nice overview, see what's going on here, see if there's any points we can improve upon, just to help, obviously the overall ranking for Google, so you can drive traffic here. So I do like, everything going on so far. It looks very nice. It's actually kind of cozy. Only thing so far right off the bat is we don't have a number right on the right corner here, so we can, quickly click on that one, so people can immediately call you. Also, I like Walls by Williams, but we're going to have to get, I would highly suggest at least getting an icon or just something that represents who you are. Now, just scrolling down, I really like the picture here. You do have your call to action, hey, put your info in so you can request everything. Um, but that's really it. That's all you really have here. Yes, as far as home pages go, we Google is very strict about what they're looking for. They really do want to see roughly about 1,500 to 2,000 keywords on the front website alone. A lot of that just, detailing exactly what it is you do, kind of going on about your services and stuff. So I don't even know if we hit, 50 words right here. And that's going to make it very difficult to find keywords that people are searching for. Like, what do people actually look for when they're on your website? um, so we're just gonna actually take a peek behind the curtain over here, kind of looking and seeing what we have over here for paintersconroe.com, which is you guys. There is nothing, there is absolutely no data uh, for this one. You have a backlink, which is nice, so, and it refers back to it. That's all we pretty much have, but there's not enough here for Google to start ranking you. So you have a website that's built, but there's nothing there. There aren't even organic keywords. So you're not going to have any traffic. So as of right now, you have zero traffic coming through your website. So, um, as far as everything goes, let's kind of look at something that people search for, right? Painters Conroe, Texas. We got a couple of, ads over here. We have more people who are willing to pay for ads. That's for those quick results. So, they can get people in the door very quickly. And then you have the organic, not organic, but this is more like the Google Map Pack. So it's kind of where people are, so people can, readily see who you are. Now, 30 to 40% of people searching for anything are going to come to this area here. And it's very important to rank there so that, you're the first person people see. You can run ads like you see Certa Pro Painters kind of running over here. You don't have to. But after that, there's the organic keyword search. So this is where, you would pop up organically with specific keywords that people are searching for. So we have, first we got Yelp, we got Home Advisor, we got Angie's List, and then we have our first, big person over here, I guess. It's exterior house painters in Conroe. So this is your direct competition. So we're kind of just going to click on them, see what their website looks like, kind of, find out what's going on. So right off the bat, okay, so it took a second to load, but we do have, everything here. It's a little cluttered. I wouldn't say putting this stuff here is the right way to go. We have a nice logo, and then we have a couple things, but we do have a contact number here, so they can quickly click on that. And then obviously their name. We keep going down. Now, I think these are links. I believe they are definitely links about what it is they're doing. Got some nice pictures, and they have some content, and then obviously what's going on and what they do. And as we scroll through, we have the call to action over here on the right side. And then, it's kind of, hey, our simple 4-step process for exterior house painting in Conroe. So they're taking people through it. There's some content here as we scroll through. They probably could have structured it a little better. They have the whole right side here, plus the header is taking up a lot of space. So it's not exactly the greatest website there as far as, user friendly. And then obviously we have their reviews. And as we keep going, overall, it's a solid website. They got some great content in here as well. All of the different areas that they do serve. And then obviously, again, there's social media here. So solid website. They probably do have around, like maybe, 1,000, 1,500 words on here. So, they do fall within that rank, but let's take a peek behind the curtain. So here's what we got for them. They have, so the UR rating, by the way, is how strong your website is, and the DR rating, or domain rating, is, how trustworthy Google thinks you are. Now, you do want both of those in the 30 to 40 range, and you want them to be a ratio of 1 to 1. Now, the way you get them better is with backlinks. Now, there are no backlinks, but to sum it up, a backlink is where you have somebody who you have your website on somebody else's site or area, and they can click on that and it'll lead right back to where you are. And we want good referring domains that lead back to you because not all of them are created equal. So, you can have it on a spam website and it's not going to do you any good versus, a authority website such as, like the Houston Carnival or Rodeo or something like that, right? Now, then we have after that, we have organic keywords. This is what people search for. So they're bringing in, with 42 organic keywords, they have 21 people coming to their website every single month. So let's take a look and see what their keywords are. So they only have 48 of them. And remember, we're looking at the volume right over here. So right here, you can automatically see house painters in my area. 900 people are searching for it. The only issue with that is it's not very specific for Houston. It's everywhere in the United States. That's why they're not bringing in a huge amount of traffic for it. But not only that, they're also in the 13th position. So page 2, which most people don't really go. So now we're getting a little bit better, 300, 200, they're all in my area, which again is not the best thing to do. So as you can see, even for 200, 200, 350, they're not getting a huge amount of volume. And then the more we scroll down over here, painting contractors in my area, we're not even getting specific with, where we are. We want to get something painters in Conroe. So in all honesty, just coming back up here and looking. Oh, wait, I thought I saw one that was actually good. Nope, I thought I saw one that pertained to Texas. Turns out I was wrong. But those would be buyer intent keyword painters in Texas. So honestly speaking, Gordon, if you really wanted to beat your competition, we just got to get these backlinks up a bit. We got to add 1,500 to 2,000 keywords, not keywords, but words inside of your homepage over there, as well as adding in those organic keywords into the front so you can start getting that organic traffic, which hopefully, brings you 2, 3, 400 people every single month. I mean, if we're going to look at other areas, this is in the Woodlands, it's not too far from Conroe, but this person has painting in the Woodlands. He's getting a volume of 400 people for 32 traffic. 32 people a month just on that one little phrase here. So if we start getting those keywords into your front page that people are searching for, Google will see that, rank you up a little bit higher or at all, and we'll start getting that generic traffic. All right. I really hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Of course, please leave me, some feedback, because like I said, if there's anything I can change, that would be really helpful. But otherwise, you have a wonderful night, Gordon, and look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.